Great. Now that we know about arrays, let's dig a little bit deeper. So you notice here that an array contains other information. If we compare this to strings, numbers, and booleans, strings, numbers, and booleans are exactly one piece of data. So if I have a string variable, that variable is only going to be equal to that exact string. But if we look at an array, it's a list that contains other items. And those items can be strings, booleans, numbers, whatever we want, or even other arrays. So the question now is, if arrays contain other data, how can I get information out of it? It's pretty simple. To get information out of an array, you type the name of the variable. So in this case, we're using the people array. And after the variable name, we type square brackets. And then in order to get information out of it, we type a number. We give the position of an item. And so here's the tricky part about arrays. When we want to get information out of an array, we say the item's number or position. But arrays start counting at 0. So for example, if I want to get the first thing out of an array, I don't say people square brackets 1, I say square brackets 0. So here, the digit 1 is in the 0th position in the numbers array. Tanner is in the 0th position in the people array, and so forth. That means that Brett is in the first, Sally is in the second. It's a little tricky, but you get used to it. And this is one thing that a lot of programmers will make jokes about, that programmers start counting at 1. So if I run this program, run node array.js, we can see that this is printing out Tanner, because this is the 0th position in the people array. So what would happen if I say 3? Let's count this. People at the 3rd position, so you're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll print out Raphael. Great. And it's that simple. Anytime we want to get something out of an array, we type the name, and then square brackets, and then the digit. Let's try this one more time. And if we look at this things array, we'll go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have this array of, it's another array inside of an array. So let's say 4. Oh wait, it says undefined. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I need to say things. Things at index 4. And look, we have another array inside of that array. And what's cool, it's really simple to dig into that one as well. I hope I'm not getting too complex here, but we can dig even deeper into a nested array. So we have an array in an array, so let's get this 6. So we're going to go to the 4th thing in the array, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is an array, so we can just tack on another square bracket here and say 1, since this is 0 and 1 inside of that array. So now we're going to get just that 6.